profit and losses. Means treatment of general reserve or you can say beta undistributed profit or losses in admission of a partner. ठीक है जी. But these balances are, if these balances are given in the old balance sheet, then must be transferred to old partners in old ratio. At the time of admission of a partner. Because beta these reserves or undistributed profits are created by the old partners at the time of distribution of their profits. Now when the new partner joining the firm, the beta partnership form going to be changed. So at the time of admission, if these balances are already appears in the old balance sheet, then beta these balances must be transferred to old partner in old ratio. So for transferring these balances to old partner at the time of admission of a partner, the beta journal entry is reserves or general reserves account debit, or you can say undistributed profit. Sometimes beta workman compensation funds are also given, account debited. Transfer to old partners in old ratio. Transferred to old partners in old ratio. This is a journal entry beta which is to be done before, or you can say at the time of admission of a partner. These balances must be transferred to old partner in old ratio. P&L beta undistributed profit reserve, or and these balances are appears in the liability side, appears in the liability side in the balance sheet, in the old balance sheet. Fine. And transfer to old partners in old ratio. But if the undistributed losses are there, then if the undistributed losses or advertisement suspense account or P&L account appears in the old balance sheet on asset side, then the entry will be बेटा जस्ट लाइक अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट की जगह पे यहां पे हम बात कर रहे हैं अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लॉसेस, एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस एक ही बात है, एंड अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड P&L अकाउंट डेबिटेड. If these balances are appear in the balance sheet on asset side If beta these balances are appear on liability side, then beta entry will be this: reserve, undistributed profit, workman compensation fund to old partners capital account. But beta, if the same balance is just like undistributed profit, losses, advertisement suspense, then beta these balances are transferred to old partner, but the entry will be old partners capital account debit to undistributed loss advertisement suspense or undistributed a loss in business. Again, these losses are also transferred to old partner in old ratio. So tell beta this, in the admission of a partner, the very first thing is a profit sharing ratio. Under profit sharing ratio, new ratio is there. Then after that, sacrificing ratio is there. Then beta in the next topic, treatment of goodwill. And after making treatment of goodwill, next topic beta already हमने discuss करा था hidden goodwill. Then after finding the hidden goodwill, and the next factor beta is the reserve and accumulated or undistributed profit and loss. And how these reserves and undistributed profit losses, then beta these, if these balances are already appears in the old balance sheet, then beta these balances must be transferred to old partner in old ratio at the time of admission of a partner. So if these balances are appear in the balance sheet on liability side, then beta entry will be like this: general reserve, undistributed profit, workman compensation fund to old partners. Then if undistributed losses, advertisement suspense or undistributed loss beta appears in the balance sheet on asset side, then the beta entry will be reverse. Old partners to these things transferred to old partner in old ratio. ठीक है जी.